No one really wants to work outside when the weather gets cold, but did you know there are some jobs that shouldn't be done below a certain temperature? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about when it's too cold to paint right after this.
It's National Fire Prevention Week, and we're helping our audience protect their homes with a special giveaway from Leviton. You can enter for a chance to win an AFCI outlet, which is a simple device that helps prevent electrical fires in your home by shutting off the power immediately if a fire is detected. We're giving away 20 AFCI outlets every day this week, so head over to todayshomeowner.com/giveaway to enter. Giveaway ends October 12th, so enter today.
If you're looking for an excuse not to paint, then the weather might just provide it. It's common sense that you shouldn't paint outside in the rain, but did you know that if the temperature is too high or low, it can cause the paint to not bind together properly, which can lead to cracking and peeling? The maximum and minimum recommended temperatures for exterior paint vary, depending on the specific brand and whether you use oil or latex. But a general rule of thumb is that oil-based paint can be applied when the temperatures are between 40 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit, and latex between 50 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. The best drying will occur when the relative humidity is between 40% and 70%. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.